Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 20 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see here we've got the list of currently other languages, so we've got only English, so let's tap another one. And here we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. And let me pick, I don't know, it can be French, for example. Let me tap on it. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so obviously do it. And here, as you can see, we've got again this list, we've got the French added, but the English is still a main one. And why? So it is because that if you want to apply the language, you have to place it on the first position. So all we have to do right now is to tap on our language we want to use, tap on it and hold it, and then simply drag it to the first position. And after releasing your finger, after a second actually, your device will simply change the language, so the whole system will be in the chosen language, in my case of course French. Let me do it again, let me show it to you. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. If you want to remove the languages from this list, nothing easier, 3 dots icon, tap on remove, and now you can mark the languages and tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm it, and we've got it. We've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your ZTE Axon 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.